Right, I'm gonna do the lifting.
All right, go on.
Whoa. Right, so we've got some good stuff.
Yeah. Right.
Starting off.
First.
Oh my gosh, my favourite part. Can I just show my favourite part?
Favourite part.
The You Are Not Alone book. From our campaign, which was the sort of suicide prevention campaign. We've put our work into a book so that we can keep it as a legacy forever.
Yeah.
Essentially, the campaign was about sort of instilling hope and sort of like challenging people's thoughts that around suicide when they are feeling very, very low. And the campaign included us writing poems and positive messages that we've put on, shall I say, certain locations in the city that were considered high risk for people to go and think about those dark thoughts. And we put speakers and our poems were played through the speakers to sort of show people where to get help and that they are not alone when they're feeling so low, and show them that they can reach out for help and that there is meaningful help out there. So we put our little poems into a book, which is so cool. My poem is on the second page, so I'm gonna go through my poem. Oh, I thought it was the second page.
And also the illustrations in this, they were done by Caitlin, right?
They were done by Caitlin, so one of our other head starters as well. So mine was Recovery is Not a Straight Line. And it's in this book, and it's all about just, like I said, instilling hope and making sure people do not feel alone when they feel really low. Yeah. So there's so many beautiful poems and illustrations done by us. That's the first thing that's in the box. So you can keep it forever.
I wasn't actually part of that because I wasn't a volunteer at that point yet.
Yeah.
But I've just been reading for all the poems and I was like, oh my god, these are so cute. They're like amazing.
Some of them are quite.
They're very like hard hitting, I'd say.
Definitely.
Right. So go for these.
Yes.
Right.
You can go for these if you want.
Okay.
Just information, isn't it?
So first we have a little letter from Karina, Claire and Lauren for all the volunteers, kind of. I'm not going to read all of it because it's quite long, but just kind of saying that this is going to become a campaign and that kind of we should learn how to self-love first before we can pass on the knowledge to others.
Yes.
We've also got like a list of what's in the box. So the idea behind it was that you're going to like look at all the senses. So spiritual, physical, sensory, emotional, social. You kind of want to be in the moment in this box. So you have like things to eat, so you can kind of practice mindfulness, like thinking what you're feeling, what you're tasting. And there's also things to do with like self-care, so like bath bombs, face masks, things like that. We'll go through in a minute. We also have breathing and meditation tips, so we can all relax. Daily self-care. Don't know how to hold it. Grow your own sunflower.
That's my favourite part.
Definitely.
You can take care of something, watch it grow, just as you see yourself grow, whilst using everything that's in this box. So you're taking care of both things, and this is a good thing for the environment, for your breathing, just wonderful.
That's such a nice way of saying that.
I know. And then what is self-care? We find that a lot of, not just children, but adults actually, shockingly, don't know what self-care really means. So just those little amazing tips from Lauren and Karina, which are our youth engagement workers. Just about taking time for you, having boundaries. Actually, that's a big thing. Saying no is a big part of letting go of toxicity around you and just keeping more of a positive vibe. And it's about developing yourself and knowing yourself and sort of accepting who you are. And growing. So this is probably it.
Yeah, that's the last one.
That's the last one. So these are the beginnings.
You want to go through this?
I'll go through this one because that's just like a part 2 of the You Are Not Alone. So these are some of the illustrations that were in the book. And here you can write certain, either this one's for example for a playlist, so you can write your happy playlist and change it however much you like. You could sort of draw what kind of future you'd like to see or what the world you'd like to sort of have in the future. Just sort of like a way to, shall I say, express yourself.
Yeah. I've also got some paper for like drawing. And now to the fun part.
Yes. No papers anymore.
No papers. Shall we go through this?
You go crazy.
Right. I'm gonna give you this because that's all you like.
Okay,
It's your favourite
like
thing.
I said, sunflower. You actually given some soil. You're given some plants. Pots.
That's a pot.
Ugh.
Yeah.
And you're giving your sunflower seeds, and you give it a go, and you help some bees. You help your mental health, the environment, your oxygen level. I don't know.
Yeah.
Great.
So, next bit. This is part 2 of the You Are Not Alone. So basically, this is an activity book that we're giving out to children with free school meals.
That's what we give
Yes,
it.
that's
We're
the
going to
idea.
try and get as far as possible
Yeah,
alongside this book.
Yeah, during half term, Easter half term, we wanted kind of
Yeah.
all the young people that we could to have something to do over half term. So we took the You Are Not Alone poetry book and we made it into an activity book. So
Yeah.
we have all the poems in here. Oh, I don't know how to do this. So we've got all the poems in here. And then on the other side, we have a lot of activities which kind of inspire you, let's say, to practice self-care, maybe think about your emotional well-being. And there's also colouring things, which is always fun.
Yeah. So here you can write your own poem that inspires you.
Yeah.
I think this is about what do you enjoy doing alone. You can either write it down or you can draw it. So I'm gonna. Here we've got what helps you to get through the day. Inspired by this poem. It's all sort of relating to certain things.
Yeah.
What works for you to calm you down and things like that. Just inspiring people to think and reflect and practice mindfulness. And that was basically given to any children that had free school meals over the pandemic and over the Easter holidays.
Yeah.
As part of a Happy Holidays package, I think.
Yeah.
Healthy Holidays
Yeah, I
package.
think so. And then along with that, we have some Head Start colouring crayons. Because we also thought that maybe a lot of young people who might be in kind of lower financial situations might not have colouring pencils. So we didn't want them to give them something that they needed colouring pencils for and not give them some fun colouring pencils.
And of course they've got a little...
I've said colouring pencils way too much, it doesn't sound like a word anymore.
I know what you mean. And they've got little details of where to go for our website to see all of our campaigns, how to get involved, and really information about mental health and where to get help as well.
Yeah. Wanna go grab?
Yeah, honestly, I don't know if we should just go for it now because it's all just stuff. So bubbles. Honestly, who doesn't get just
one of my
excited
favourite parts.
by bubbles? Like, amazing.
We have some revision cards.
You got this.
You got this.
They are amazing, actually. I've already used them.
Yeah, same.
So we've got a photo frame where the idea is you can put whatever even makes you happy, that's important to you, something, even a drawing into it to remind you of happy times.
We also have a candle.
I love the smell of that.
It smells so good.
That's meant to involve, oh my god, that's
It's like
so good.
It's like fresh cotton. It's like laundry.
It's meant to involve all your senses. So as you can already see, we've got touch, we've got sight, we've got scent.
Yeah.
We've technically got music as well because of the playlist. Bath bombs.
Yeah.
Also smells so good.
I can smell it from here. It smells so nice.
I want to take it home.
Same. Along with kind of the bath bomb, we have some. I forgot what it's called. Shower gel. Yeah. We have some shower gel.
Also smells great.
We also have a loofah.
Might as well.
Yeah, might as
Get
well.
all those senses.
Yeah. Can have a nice relaxing bath.
And to go along with that,
Obviously.
we've got some relaxation, a face mask, and foot pack.
It's a foot mask, kind of.
It's something like that.
You put your feet in it, it makes them soft.
Perfect. Feet are important.
You can also have soft hands.
And
Moisturiser.
towel. Why not?
A towel.
If you don't have one now, you've got one for the face mask.
Exactly. We also have, let's just group these together.
Sure, I'll do it. Loads of pens.
An array of pens.
You can use it for
pencils, mechanical pencils as well, which are always nifty.
Absolutely. Useful for the activities.
Yes, definitely.
So, loads of food. Like this,
Oh,
like
yeah.
we said, we've got all the different mintiness for different kind of mood.
We have this,
When
I'm not
you're
sure what
sad.
it is.
It is. Wow, bacon fries. Okay.
Bacon fries.
And who doesn't like Haribo?
And tea, because who doesn't
And
like tea?
Yes, calming down tea.
Yeah.
So yeah, lip balm to just make you feel all nice and loved.
Okay, some strips of paper for activities.
And that's
And
it.
that's it. That's the
That
box.
is the well-being box. Woo! I'm so sorry about that.
And also the box is very nicely decorated.
Absolutely.
want
You can use it
I
to
like
express yourself, to decorate it how you want, so that it can represent you.
Yeah. And it's decorated with the activities from the activity book, which
It
is quite
is.
fun.
Yes.
So that's the
Very
self-love box.
individual. Yeah, thank you.